From the studios at Premonition Tower, Case Facts.
Hello and welcome to Case Facts. Let's take a look at the latest Johnson & Johnson class actions. Now, J&J are being sued over talcum powder. It's alleged that it causes ovarian cancer. Is this true? Well, it depends on where you live and where you file a lawsuit. The leading case at the moment, which is Tiffany Hogan's et al. And Johnson & Johnson, is filed in the city of St. Louis, Missouri, before the Honorable Rex Burlison. And Judge Burlison has been giving away $70 million every few days like it's candy, which is great, unless, of course, you're Johnson & Johnson. Now, as we see in this court, this plaintiff win rate here is 60%, and those of you that watch Case Facts regularly know that that's really, really high, comparing with the average nationally of 37%. Now, let's take a look at the New Jersey courts. Over in this court, the judge in their leading case, which Brandy Carl versus Johnson & Johnson, has a 31% win rate. Now, this judge has said that the scientific evidence, which is the very same scientific evidence that was presented in St. Louis, is no good. And he's been tossing these cases like they're yesterday's sushi. Why is that? If the facts are the same and the law is the same, it's the people. At Premonition, we found that people account for 30.7% of the verdict. It's also down to venue, where the people are. Where you file has a huge outcome on the case. You file in one place, you lose. You file in another place, you win and get a big verdict. Lots of the work we do at Premonition is on venue. Let's take a look at some other examples here. These are United States patent cases. Now, there are 208 federal courts that you can file a patent in, but magically 44% of all of them are filed right here in the Eastern District of Texas. Why is that? Well, the Eastern District of Texas has a reputation for being heavily plaintiff-friendly, that you can take any old piece of nonsense into this court and the judge will swing the gavel and you're going to walk out with a verdict in your favor if you're a plaintiff's lawyer. Now, this is not the only court with a reputation for strangeness. Let's take a look at Cook County, Illinois. Now, traditionally, this place has a reputation as being the place to file product liability lawsuits, kind of like the Mos Eisley Cantina in Star Wars. And very similar types of cases to the Talc ones we've been seeing, where historically plaintiffs have been winning 62% to 72% of the time, getting judgments. Comparing that to the 37% court average, really, really high. But there have been some changes in that court, and the average there has dropped down to 37%. So a lot of plaintiffs' attorneys are looking around and saying, where is the new Cook County? And they've been eyeing the city of St. Louis, because venue is really, really important, which is why a lot of lawyers, our clients, use the world's largest litigation database to find out where to file and which lawyers to send there. Don't forget that law is an insider's business. 30.7% of the outcome is due to who you hire to put in front of your judge for your case. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on Case Facts.